I think about that, before looking at it being like a process and a thing that you do on a regular basis within management. I think it's just the way that I run my company is that I want everybody to be set up in their roles where they're feel like they're enjoying work, they're in their skill set, they're in their strengths, and if they're, and maybe they think they are, and then they have to change. And so we have to be able to, just adapt our job descriptions, if you will, be able to change the way that we think of work. And so I think kind of part of your story earlier is just there's no set way to do work, and there's habits that you've had or ways you've done it before, but we have to be able to look at what are we trying to accomplish and who's the best person for the job, and do they have those skill sets. So for me, that's what that adaptive work looks like.